Welcome to How to Cook with Bill Cook. I'm Bill Cook. Works out pretty well that way. So Taco Bell, we love it, we hate it. They love us, they hate us. Yeah, they get rid of our pizza, they get rid of our Mexi Melt, and they got rid of the Enchirito. Now, to be fair, the Enchirito had been around for a very, very, very long time. I worked at Taco Bell as a teenager, and it was around then. So fast forward 7 years, and in 2019, no more Enchirito. So it's up to us to make it, which we're going to do today. Now, the reason they probably got rid of it was the little tub that it came in, the little plastic thing with the lid on it. That was the only thing that really made it special. Everything else is pretty straightforward. It's just down the line with standard ingredients. It's super easy to make, so I'll show you how to do it, and then we can have it anytime we want. All right, let's get started. So cooking the ground beef is really the only cooking involved in this. Put a pound of ground beef in a large frying pan, put it on your stove over medium-high heat, and brown it. When it's cooked, drain it. And then add your seasoning packet. This one is from McCormick, but Taco Bell also makes one, or Lawry's, that sort of thing. You add water to that, you mix it all up, you cook it until the water's absorbed, and this is what it's going to look like after a few minutes. It's not terribly hard, not difficult. I have some other videos showing how to do it. Feel free to look at one of those if you really want to see. But that's basically what you're going to need to make your Enchirito. And anything else, basically, that has ground beef in it. There you go. All right, so we have everything we need. It's not really hard. We have a vessel for the Enchirito. We have beans. These are just canned beans. These are pretty lumpy. The Taco Bell beans are very, very smooth. So that's just personal preference. Get smooth beans if you don't want lumpy beans. Do actual whole beans in it. Red enchilada sauce, just a mild sauce. You want to heat it up a little bit. Everything that they put in there was always warm, so do it the way that they do it. There you go. Meat, as you saw, how we cook the meat and the whole thing. We got cheese, it's just cheddar cheese. If you want to use the pre-shredded stuff, that's fine for this. It actually works pretty good because that's what they used. I don't ever use that because it's covered in cornstarch, which keeps it from sticking together. And that can affect melting and flavor and texture and things like that. So I just always shred my own. Preference, onion, diced up real small. You don't need a lot. Tortilla, flour. They didn't have uncooked corn tortillas. They just had the flour. So that's what they used. There you go. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing is, because the order of operation doesn't really matter, but to be a stickler, the schmear of beans, the scoop of beans, and then give it the schmear of the scoop. Just a quick boop. There you go. Meat. Meat goes down. Got a scoop of meat. There you go. Now that's about what they would put. I'll put a little bit more because I'm not bound by corporate governance and things and other deals. I'm just not. Okay, onion. A little onion. Yeah, it had some onion in it. A little bit. And it had a little bit of cheese on the inside. Most of it was on the outside. But there was a little. There you go. And, believe it or not, there was sauce inside. Oh, so we're going to put some sauce inside. Not a lot. This didn't take a lot. It just, that little bit of yumminess right there. Okay. Now, we take and we just basically roll this thing. Now, the tortilla, you have to warm it up. They have a steam table, or a big steam cabinet with all the tortillas in the whole thing. Well, on your side, it'd be over here probably, depending on which side of the line you were on. Yeah, so you can throw it in the microwave for 10, 12 seconds, something like that. Softens it up, makes it good. And basically, there you go. That's what it looks like before you do this. Yeah, you give it lots of sauce. 1 full scoop of sauce. Big scoop. big handful of cheese. Now, as one of the things that we all loved about it the most was that there was all the extra cheese that was laying in the sauce. And that was one of the best things about it. I don't think you can have too much cheese on this. You probably can. Don't tempt me. Don't try that at home. Come on. Come on. Reasonable amount of cheese. Okay. That's a reasonably unreasonable amount of cheese. Okay. Now, the easiest way for you to melt this cheese is in the microwave. So that's what we're going to do. Give it about 30, 40 seconds till the cheese melts. We got an Enchirito. Let's go. And while we wait for that, I don't know. I got nothing. I didn't prepare for this. Sorry. Nope, didn't get it. 40 seconds was not enough. Let's go for another 10, shall we? Roll again, 10 more. A total of 1 minute. 10 more. Okay, so it's out of the microwave. It took a lot longer. So my microwave might be a little older and slower and losing a little bit in the magnetron department. But yeah, she took about 1:20 to do, but I put a lot of cheese on it, and this is a little thicker cheese, so it took a little bit. But here is your Enchirito. Oh, I'll do a flyover thing with it too, and you can see exactly what that is. But yeah, basically, that's how easy this thing is to make. So next time you get a hankering for an Enchirito, just go make it. It's a lot faster than sitting in the drive-thru yelling at someone about an Enchirito, and they don't understand what you're saying because you're old. Just kidding, you're not old. But we remember things from way back when. Don't know what else to call that. Anyways, there you go. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the button. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you want to know when they come out, hit the notification bell. If you know someone that loves Enchiritos and is bummed they're gone and wants to know how to make it, well then share this video, send it to them. And then they'll know how to make it too. And they'll stop bugging you about it. Perfect. All right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.